This is part 4 of the camper cushions. We've sewn some orange stripes. This is the Olympus Orange Blast. We did another test sample with the American Beauty. We're going to be doing some destructive tests with some oat. Let's check out this rating on this Olympus. Look at this, it's the only one that actually reads -20 cold crack. And as far as the double rub, the abrasion, it's 1.8 million double rubs compared to your factory vinyls, 50K, 100K. I'm sure you're wanting to know about this Cheyenne, rustic distressed Cheyenne from Keyston. Created to emulate a rustic artisan leather, the distressed natural grain of Cheyenne captures years of aging, patina, and organic scarring, while offering superior durability, flame, and stain protection of vinyl. Ooh, look at those beautiful colors. This is the parchment. Should we check in on the rating on the Cheyenne to see how good of a material it is? Cold crack, -10. That's okay. Everything's -10. Abrasion, 400,000 double rubs. Look at that. One of your best vinyls for a factory vinyl, 100,000 double rubs. This one's 4 times as long. You'll be switching out 4 covers on your OEM seats before you switch out even one of these with the Cheyenne. I tried to look up a vinyl that matches this texture. I don't know what Keyston used on here. I'm gonna have to ask him. I'm not sure what the rating is on that.
A tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
3/16, 2/16, so a 1/16 off just by moving it 1 notch. Well, 1 number. There's a bunch of different notches, but just moving it 1 number. This is the seam stitch length that we use, that when you pull it, it doesn't rip. This is what holds this, a 1/16 of an inch off. Look how easy it rips. It's still holding pretty strong. It really is, because the material. But you can see the difference. I can't even get this to go as much as I pull. So that is why we use 3/16 instead of 2/16. Now, just because this Olympus has 1.8 million double rubs, that does not mean that the structure of the vinyl all the way through is actually more durable. Because this one underneath, this Cheyenne parchment, it is almost double. It's a little over double the thickness on the vinyl layer than the Olympus. So the Olympus has more durability going like this than the Cheyenne, but as far as the durability through the thickness, we're going to do a destructive test on this Cheyenne with the Olympus vinyl to see how strong it is. But first, we've got to cut out all this. We've got to remember, we've got 2 pieces We've got 47. We've got to divide it by 2, add our seam allowances on both ends, plus an inch. So when we sew them together, we'll have an inch on both sides to work with. Let's get cutting out this Cheyenne, and then we'll do a destructive test on this. Then we'll just start sewing them together, putting the inserts in on the 2 pieces on the sides, and we're gonna complete the plate. We're wrapping up part 4. On part 5, we're gonna square off this material and start finishing out our plate. We've got our inserts made. Now we've got to do our side bolsters to finish our plate out. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Come back for part 5.